Jimmy, dime time. Let's go!
Hey everyone, it's me, Jimmy Dime. Welcome back to my adventure room. I'm so happy to see you. Here, anything is possible. Today, we're gonna make our own pets. Do you know what a pet is? A pet is something that you can take care of. And today, we're gonna make some pet rocks. Yes, that's so cool. And after we make them, we're gonna go to a park and we're gonna hide them so other people can find them. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's show you exactly where we're gonna go today. Are you ready? Let's go! And this is the adventure we're gonna go on today. Right here, this park. Wow, how cool is that? See, there's a lake. That means there'll be lots of places to hide our pet rocks so we can surprise people. I'm so excited. We'll give our rocks a home. Are you ready? Okay, let's make our rock pets. I'm so excited to make some pet rocks. So first, let's see what we need. Here, we have paint. Look at all the colors. And now, here, we have some paintbrushes, all different sizes. And here, we have our two rocks. Different paintbrushes sizes for the different sizes of the rock. And here we have some stickers. These, with a little help of some water and this sponge, we can put the sticker right on the rock. How cool is that? I can't wait for someone to be walking through the park and to find it. So let's paint this one first. What color should I use? I know, let's do yellow. Wow. Let's do a bigger brush. So we'll get a little bit of yellow right over there. And then we'll paint the rock like that. We're gonna make someone very happy when they walk through the park and they find it. Okay, just like that, and like that, and like that. Let's put some more. Wow, this is so much fun. Okay. Hi, pet rock. So, we are going to let that dry right there. That's our first one. Now we'll wash the paintbrush off and we'll paint this one. What color should we do it? Let's do blue. Okay, we will get some blue on this rock. Oh, cool. That's such a nice color. I'll put a little bit more on there. Just like that. One yellow. And one blue. And you can put different designs on if you like. These stickers I'm gonna use on top of them with a little bit of water, but you can paint whatever you like. Like the Jimmy Dime Adventure Room, the possibilities are endless. Okay, we're gonna let these dry real quick, and then we'll be right back. Okay, now my rocks are dry. Now, let's put some stickers on them. So, let's do this one first. Look. It's a sunglasses smiley face. It's so cute. So what we're gonna do is we'll take this off and we'll put this on top of the rock and then we'll use the sponge and get it a little bit wet. Just right there, just on top of the rock. And then when we move this away, the sunglass smiley face will be on the rock. Okay, shall we see? Whoa! There it is! How cool is that? Okay, now we'll do our yellow rock. This time, we're gonna give it a face from a little dog. So, we'll put the sticker on here, get this a little bit wet. So it folds just like that. Okay, and let's see if it worked. Hey, there it is. It's the dog face on the rock. That's so cool. Okay, you saw me make 2 pet rocks, but I made a couple more. So here is the one with the dog and the sunglasses cool guy right here. And here I made a strawberry. And this one is a garden. The strawberry and a garden. There's a bee and a flower. And then this one is a fish. How cool is that? They're gonna look so good in the park. And this one, because we have a dog, this one's a cat. Hi, cat. And here is a ladybug. That'll look good in the park. Maybe we'll see a real one. And here, this one is an owl. Woo, woo. Just like the owls on my wall in the Jimmy Dime Adventure Room. And here, this one's a parrot. Hi, parrot. And the last one, it's a home. We'll put that right there. These are all our pet rocks we made today. How cool do those look? Now, let's go to the park so we can hide them. People are gonna be so surprised when they find them. But wait, where should I know. I will put them in my pockets. Perfect. Okay, rocks, we are going to go to the park and find you a home. Okay, let's go to the magic door. Okay, now we've made our rocks. Now I'm gonna put them in my pocket so we can hide them at the park. I'm so excited to go. Are you? I know you are. Okay, so before we go through the magic door, we're gonna have to turn on my laces. Are you ready? 1 and 2. Okay, I'm excited to go. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, that's so cool. Here we are at the park. How cool is that? And look, there's a bridge. Okay, are you ready to hide the pet rocks with me? Here's the first one. It's the owl. Let's go. Wow, look at this. It's a trail. Let's hide one of our pet rocks down there. Come on. This is so cool. Wow. Look at this big tree. It's so tall. Come on. This is perfect. It's a perfect little spot for our first pet rock. Okay. There you go, owl. You're gonna make someone really happy. They're gonna be so surprised when they find it. Are you ready? Let's hide another one. Come on. Okay, now we're gonna hide the strawberry. And I found a great spot right here. Look, it's in a tree. Okay, I'll climb on here. And let's put right there. That's perfect. It looks so good there. Okay, bye, pet rock. We'll see you soon. Let's go. Okay, it's time to hide the ladybug. Let's see what's down this trail. Wow, it's so cool. Wow, look at this tree. I'm gonna put the ladybug up there. Wow, it's so easy to climb because of all the branches. Cool. Okay, ladybug, let's put you right there. Actually, let's turn it around so I can show his eyes right there. Bye, ladybug. We'll see you soon. Okay, we still have more to hide. Let's go. Now, we're gonna hide the fish pet rock. And I thought a perfect place to do that is here, at the lake. Look. Wow, it's so nice. Here, let's hide this right here. Perfect. Bye, fish. We'll see you soon. The fish at the lake.
That's awesome. Okay, we still have more to go. Come on. Hey, look what I found. It's a beach. How cool is that? And so I thought it's perfect to hide the parrot pet rock. Hey. Okay, where should we hide it? Hey, what about here on this log? Let's put it right there. Bye, parrot. We'll see you soon. Okay, we have 3 more to go. Come on. Okay, and now it's time to hide our next rock. Look, it's the home rock. We gotta give it a home. And look what I found. A bunch of other big rocks. This would be the perfect place to give this house a home. Come on. Wow, they're so big. I made the middle one. And this is where we'll plant this one right here. Okay, it's got a new home. Bye. Let's do the next 2. Okay, look what I found. Look, we don't want to disturb them, but there's a lot of bees. They're busy getting nectar from the flowers. They're working. How cool is that? So I thought we'll put our garden pet rock there. See? There's a bee right here. It's perfect. Okay, let's put this right down here. Another bee to add to the garden. This is so much fun. Okay, we have 1 more to go. Come on. Wow, I have to show you something I found. Come here. Look, someone left another painted rock. How cool is that? So, I'm gonna leave the last painted rock. Ah, it's our cat. And we're gonna leave it right there. So someone else, like me, who found this rock, can find this one. That's amazing. Okay, now let's go back to the adventure room and go over everything that just happened. Come on, let's go.
Wow, that was so cool! Bye, Pet Rocks! We'll see you soon! Thank you so much for playing with me today. We had so much fun. We made our own pet rocks, went to a park, and left them so they can surprise other people. That's so cool! Well, we'll see you next time here at Jimmy Dime's Adventure Room. And remember, you can do it! Bye!
Jimmy, dime time. Next show!